Do you still make small, but embarrassing mistakes when speaking English? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the 5 most common mistakes English learners make, and how to fix each one with real examples. Let's speak smart English together. Mistake 1. Subject-verb agreement. Many learners say he don't, but for he, she, it, use doesn't. Example 1. He don't like pizza, is wrong. He doesn't like pizza, is correct. Example 2. It doesn't work, is correct. Don't say, it don't work. Mistake 2. Treating uncountable nouns like countable ones. Words like information, advice, furniture, money, don't take s. She gave me many informations, is wrong. Say, she gave me a lot of information. He gave me an advice, is not correct. He gave me some advice. Mistake 3. Double negatives. In English, double negatives cancel each other out and confuse meaning. I don't know nothing, is not correct. Say, I don't know anything. She didn't say anything, is correct, while she didn't say nothing, is incorrect. Another example on this, don't say, I can't find nobody, say, I can't find anybody. One negative is enough. Use words like anything, anybody, ever to stay correct. Mistake 4. Using the wrong tense. Don't say, I am go to school. Say, I am going to school, for right now, or, I go to school, for habit. He is play football, is wrong. The correct thing is, he is playing football. Now. She is work tomorrow, also wrong. Say, she will work tomorrow. Future. Check your verb forms, they tell the time. Mistake 5. Using much and many incorrectly. Many is for countable nouns, much is for uncountable. I have much friends, is not correct. Say instead, I have many friends. There are much cars, is wrong. Say, there are many cars. I don't have much time. Time equals uncountable. We don't have much money. Money equals uncountable. Watch again, take notes, and practice daily. This simple fix makes you sound accurate and fluent. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical lessons to upgrade your English fast.